So last class we did till I think gravitational potential, correct?
Yes, sir.
Gravitational intensity, gravitational potential. That much we have completed in last lecture. Nija, we are doing gravitation chapter. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just write homework. Today's homework, that is Monday, gravitation, whatever taught. Gravitation, practice 2 times. Then Tuesday, so everybody has got that assignment, daily practice paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From that, first one, 0, 1. That is fundamental of vectors, addition, subtraction, multiplication of vector, Lami's theorem. That one is homework for you. That you have to complete on Tuesday. Wednesday, again, gravitation. Practice 2 times. And Thursday, physics 0, 2 from that assignment, which is SI unit, fundamental, derived, and dimension. Friday, gravitation plus physics 3 wala assignment. Saturday, physics 0, 4 assignment. Sunday, test on measurement plus scalar vector plus kinematical equation one, two, three, measurement, scalar vector, kinematical equation plus gravitation. MCQ only 3 to 4 MCQ. Write your entire test, this homework schedule.
Excuse me, sir.
Pardon?
So this 0, 1 and 0, 2 assignments, like, can you just send the questions?
I can't send the question. So many questions are there. You have to collect the notes from the class if you have not collected.
For the notes, okay, okay.
Notes I have given, no, physics 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, it's there.
Okay, sir, I understood.
I think you have that.
Yes, sir.
All of you have understood now what is homework. Homework is from the daily assignment sheet which you have collected from the office. It contains day 1 to day 75 assignment. Last assignment number is 75. Can you see that? If you have at home, please check it afterwards. From that, I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4 assignments to be done. Completed, then say I will clear so that I can start with chapter.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now gravitation we have done last class till gravitational potential V is minus Gm upon R square. This upon R. Derive expression for potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Since gravitational potential comma V is work done upon moving mass. So V equals to work done means potential energy upon mass. So potential energy is mass into gravitational potential V. So potential energy is M minus G capital M upon R. So potential energy is minus G mm upon R. Right, this formula. Potential energy is minus G mm upon R. College where it is starting from?
Sir, not given anything.
Okay, because we have to
Anything.
because we have to change the timing na, if once the college starts.
Yes.
Any of your teacher has changed the timing so far, or same timing is continued?
The same time is continued.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Arya and all, you had told that your chemistry timing is going to change. Is it changed or it is same?
It is same, sir.
When
sir.
when it gets changed, please inform because I have to change apps for that, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Till 15th January there is no problem because as per government rule till 15th everything is closed.
So my college has started.
So far it is not disturbing our timetable. There is no issue. Completed full potential energy minus GMM upon R.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one note, very important. Many times you will find this note will be useful to you. This is Earth. The body is taken from the surface of Earth to certain height, h equal to nr, where r is the radius of Earth. I want gain in potential energy. So potential energy, this is surface. This is at certain height. Gain in potential energy, delta PE, is potential energy at height minus potential energy on the surface. Potential energy is minus gmm upon small r. Small r is r plus h. Minus of minus g mm upon, on the surface small r is capital R. So minus g mm upon r plus h is suppose nr. nr means they can say height is equal to radius, height is double radius, half radius, n is multiplier of that radius. Minus minus plus g mm upon r. R into 1 plus n in denominator minus gmm plus gmm upon capital R. Please copy this much. Then we'll take LCM and simplify.
Done, sir.
Okay. So I've completed till minus gmm upon R in bracket 1 plus n plus gmm upon capital R. LCM will be R into 1 plus n, and g mm we can take common. First term has everything, so only minus gmm plus gmm 1 plus n. So gmm common, minus 1 plus n upon r into 1 plus n, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So g mm n upon r into n plus n. Since small g is gm upon capital R square, so we can write n gm as r square g into m upon r into 1 plus n. R I can cancel. So we get n upon n plus 1 mgr. So gain in potential energy when the body is taken from surface to height h equal to nr is n upon n plus 1 mgr. Please copy till this, फिर एक example देता हूँ so that you understand meaning.
Done, sir.
Now, based on this concept, one small numerical I am giving so that you understand what we have done. A satellite is taken up to height equal to the radius r of Earth. Find gain in potential energy. Here h is r, correct? Because from the surface height is equal to radius. So what is h? R? Correct? H is r?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
But we write h as nr by comparing. Can you tell n is 1? Is n equal to 1? So gain in potential energy is n upon n plus 1 mgr. N is 1, 1 plus 1 mgr. 1 upon 1 plus 1 is half. So half mgr. Followed method? Yes, everybody has followed the method?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. How many? हाँ, एक्चुअली वो स्टार्ट करना था क्या मेरा हाथ का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. मैं जीपे कर दूं क्या आपके नंबर पे? कौन सा नंबर पे करूँ? आप भेज दो मुझे नंबर. हाँ, संतोष के नंबर पे कर देता हूँ, चलेगा. ठीक. नहीं, उसने बोला था मुझे कर सकते हैं, बोला था. कर देता हूँ. नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई नहीं. आधे घंटे में मैं कर देता हूँ. एक्चुअली क्या मेरा थोड़ा हाथ का एक इशू था, इसलिए मैं नहीं आ रहा था. हाँ, अभी भी थोड़ा ठीक ठीक yes okay I hope done till end.
सर 1 minute.
हाँ आराम से, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चैप्टर, अच्छे से करो, 2 तो एमसीक्यू मिनिमम आएगा, मैक्सिमम 4 आता है.
Yes, sir. Done. So,
Yes, yes, say.
sir, in the exams, the entrances,
हाँ.
we can't means we can't give any weightage, no.
हाँ?
In for the entrances,
हाँ?
we can't have any weightage, no.
No, we can't have, but from so many years we have experience.
No, I am just asking.
No, there is no fixed weightage. Weightage is there section wise.
Okay.
Like mechanics, states of matter, heat, sound, that way there is weightage, not chapter wise.
Okay.
So this section what we are doing, weightage is 36% on this.
Okay, sir.
This comes under mechanics.
Okay.
See. Define binding energy. Everybody is studying regularly? Yes, everybody is studying regularly? Or
Yes, sir.
please study regularly, don't cheat yourself. Whichever day you have missed, try to compensate. Because late if you start to come on the track, it will be too far, you cannot reach. Just one paper I checked, G at height and G at depth, many of them they have not written. You students, everybody has written this derivation in the last test.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But I saw one paper I found, I will not reveal the name, but that child has not written. Please revise everything, because as I said, nothing is difficult, but it is too much to retain in the brain. For that we require a lot of practice. See, there is lockdown. How many holiday you got from my side? One is Diwali vacation you got, correct? Close this down. 1 second wait.
So,
Huh?
sir, I had one doubt. Sir, in that one derivation, no, that GH is equal to, in which the R is more than H, very more than H.
Huh?
तो सर उसमें हम
More
लोग
than
को
H is less than R. Very closer, H is less than R.
I told R is very.
What you
सर
are
उसमें हम लोग को पूरा मतलब पहले से डिराइव करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, जैसा मैंने किया है वैसे ही तो किया है. We know that GH equal to.
हाँ तो हम means we can't write from we know that. No?
No, we can start from there. You know.
We can start. Okay. Okay.
मेरे को नया बंदा आ गया अभी राहुल तो पागल लोगों से 1 second wait. I was saying that one student has not practiced GH and G. And when I was telling this, the student got disconnected. Please practice everything so that you are not get held up in the exam with any of the question. It should happen, you know everything and then you have the choice which to leave and which to attempt. Now define binding energy. Till when you will be binded in 12th standard science? Till which month, which year you will be binded to the 12th standard?
2022.
2022. Which month approximately? Roughly?
Jan.
Jan?
March.
हाँ आपका तो एग्जाम जैन में नहीं मार्च में होगा ना So March में you will liberate yourself from 12th standards load if you give the exam.
No, sir.
Then you will wait for your result.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if result shows 35 and above mark, then only I can say you are liberated. So what is
Yes.
your binding? 35.
35.
35.
Fine.
If board declares no, this year you were at home, we will have 40 mark as passing mark. Then 35 may you are still binded, na?
Yes, sir.
40 becomes my binding energy. So one student says, sir, I have passed. If 35 is binding, then how much I can presume he has got? 30? No, more than 35 he might have got. He says just pass, then
Around 35.
around 35. So whenever you say binding energy, that means energy by which it is towards earth, pulled by earth. उससे ज्यादा मिला तो liberate हो जाएगा. So if earth is binding the satellite by -10 joule and I give +10 to the earth from to that satellite from outside, will it remove itself or it will be binded?
It will be binded.
How? -10 was binding, I gave plus, it will remove, no? But just pass का case हो गया ना? Remove होके किधर जाएगा नहीं, उधर ही रुक जाएगा.
Yes.
But if I give +12 then it has got energy of 2 joule. 2 joule से इधर उधर भागेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
So binding energy is minimum energy to be supplied to the satellite. Minimum energy to be supplied to the satellite so that it liberates itself from gravitational influence of Earth is called binding energy. I'm writing on the screen. The minimum energy to be supplied to the satellite, minimum energy to be supplied to the satellite externally so that it can liberate itself from gravitational influence of Earth, gravitational influence of Earth is called as binding energy. The minimum energy to be supplied to the satellite externally so that it can liberate itself from gravitational influence of Earth is called as binding energy. Please write the definition.
Done, sir.
Minimum energy to be supplied to the satellite externally so that it can liberate itself from gravitational influence of Earth is called as binding energy. Derive expression for binding energy. We have expression for binding energy of orbiting satellite. Derive expression for binding energy of orbiting satellite. So if I find which energy it is pulled by Earth, that much if I give from outside, it will liberate, that energy will become our binding energy. Consider a satellite of mass m at height h above Earth's surface, having mass m radius r, to be revolving in a circular orbit of radius r equals to r plus h with critical velocity vc. Now, because satellite is revolving, that means it is in motion. It has got kinetic energy. It has got potential energy. If I add, it will become total energy. Utna energy bahar se diya, so it will liberate. So consider a satellite of mass small m at height h above Earth's surface, at height h above Earth's surface, having mass capital M, comma radius capital R, to be revolving in a circular orbit of radius small r equals to r plus h, with critical velocity c. Copy this much diagram and copy this one. Then I will find kinetic energy, potential energy. Then we will add the two, we'll get total energy. सिक्स वाला न्यूमेरिकल है ना, मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट में, उसका डी ऑप्शन देखो क्या लिखा है आपने। जो भी आप मुझे भेजते हो ना, कि उसका पीडीएफ निकाल, उसका एक आउटपुट निकाल के फाइल करते जाओ। हेलो, जो भी टेस्ट पेपर आप भेजते हैं ना, उसका एक आउटपुट निकाल के फाइल करते रहो, तो समझिएगा क्या क्या टेस्ट हुआ है, और देखने में भी इजी होएगा। फिर अपन स्टूडेंट को पीडीएफ भेजेंगे ना, अपने पास तो रख सकते हैं ना हार्ड कॉपी। हाँ डी लिखा है, लेकिन ऑप्शन में जो ऑप्शन प्रिंट किया है ना, वो गलत है। वो 10 लिखा है आपने, 10 दिख रहा है आपको? अरे यार, इतना टाइम लगाएगा तो मैं लेक्चर बंद कर उसके बात करूंगा। क्या लिखा है? 10 लिखा है ना। 10 होता है क्या थीटा? tan tan होता है, tan थीटा लिखो उसको, और मेन शीट में भी चेंज करो, tan tan tan। हाँ, वो मेन में भी वैसे ही चेंज करो, क्योंकि उसमें भी वैसे ही रहेगा ना फिर। Yes, completed till this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we got description of diagram till BC. Now because it is moving, can I say kinetic energy of satellite K dot E is half m PC square. So kinetic energy is half m root of gm by r the whole square. Kinetic energy is half m gm by r. Kinetic energy is gmm upon qr. So we got kinetic energy of moving satellite. Now potential energy of satellite comma p dot e is minus gmm upon small r. Second equation. Total energy is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Therefore, P dot E is KE plus PE. Copy till this. Total energy KE plus PE. हेलो कौन बोल रहे हैं? हाँ हाँ बताइए। कार्तिक मैं आपको एक अराउंड 1:30 फोन करूँ? ठीक ठीक।
Done, sir.
Kinetic energy of satellite gmm upon 2r. Potential energy minus gmm upon r. Total energy is sum of kinetic and potential. Therefore, total energy is gmm upon 2r plus minus gmm upon small r. So total energy is G mm minus 2 times G mm. So total energy is minus G mm upon 2R. This is the energy by which satellite is binded to the earth. Thus, when external energy of plus G mm upon 2R is supplied externally, then the satellite will liberate itself. Therefore, binding energy is plus GMM upon 2R. Opposite of total energy is binding. Now complete, fulfill this.
Done, sir.
Okay. So binding energy for orbiting satellite is GMM upon 2R. Note we will write. Can you see kinetic energy formula? It is GMM upon 2R, na? Just check. Was it same? GMM upon 2R, kinetic energy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means it is equivalent to binding energy. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And potential energy is minus GMM upon R. That means it is double of binding energy with opposite sign, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. and total energy is minus of binding energy. So many times they will give you binding energy in entrance and they will ask you what is kinetic, what is potential, what is total. Kinetic is same, potential is minus of double, total is opposite. So write 3 points of kinetic, potential, total in terms of binding. Right.
Done,
Done, sir.
sir.
Okay. One more point write down. For satellite at rest at height h. If satellite is at rest, then its kinetic energy will be 0. Potential energy will be minus gmm by r. Total energy will be only potential, which is gmm upon r in minus, and binding energy will be plus gmm upon small r. So whenever satellite is at rest, then binding energy will not have denominator में 2, because 2 comes from this kinetic energy wala denominator. So I have remembered like this: at rest, then kinetic ka half wala is missing, only we have gmm upon r. Right. Fourth point: if satellite is at rest, then binding will not have 2, it is only gmm upon capital R.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. For satellite orbiting close to Earth's surface, kinetic energy is gmm upon 2, small r will become capital R. Potential energy minus gmm, small r becomes capital R. total energy minus Gmm upon 2 into capital R. Same way, binding energy is Gmm upon 2R. Sixth and final one, for satellite at rest close to Earth surface. At rest means kinetic energy 0, potential energy is minus Gmm upon R, total energy is say minus Gmm upon capital R, and last binding energy will be plus Gmm upon R. So whenever it is binding energy wala sum, be careful what they have given. Orbiting at height or rest at height. Close to the earth, orbiting or rest. 4 points are there. As per that formula will keep on changing. Write all the 6 points, then new topic I am doing for you. Next one. Define escape velocity. Now, escaping is also liberating, ना? Somebody escapes, मतलब freedom मिल गया ना उसको, liberated. But it is not energy, it is velocity. So I can say the minimum velocity with which a satellite at rest from Earth's surface must be projected so that it liberates itself from gravitational influence of Earth is called as escape velocity. The minimum velocity with which a satellite at rest from Earth's surface must be projected so that it liberates itself from gravitational influence of Earth is called as escape velocity. Right definition, then derivation will do.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next, derive expression for escape velocity. Escape means we have to impart velocity so that it can liberate. But we know at liberate it should have binding energy equivalent to Gmm upon capital R because it is at rest. So first we'll say consider a satellite of mass m at rest on Earth's surface, having mass capital M, comma radius capital R. Considered satellite of mass m at rest on Earth's surface having mass m, radius capital R, to be projected with escape velocity v suffix e so that it liberates itself from, chapter is simple actually, gravitational influence of Earth. Therefore, at point of escape, kinetic energy of projection equals to binding energy. Please copy till this, then I am putting the formulas.
Sir, can you repeat the last point?
Kinetic energy of projection equal to binding energy.
Done, sir.
So kinetic energy is same as binding energy of satellite at rest on Earth's surface. Kinetic energy, we all know formula, half mv square. So kinetic energy, I'm writing half mve square. Binding energy for satellite at rest, gmm upon capital R. One mass cancel. So ve square is 2 times gm upon capital R. So ve will become root of 2 times gm upon capital R. This is an expression for escape velocity. Right.
Done, sir.
So that's all for today. Let's meet on Wednesday. Please keep on doing your homework regularly. Any doubt, you can ask me in the subsequent lectures.